ISC West 2026. I am happy to be joined by Mark Angel of Valcom. Hello, sir.
How you doing, Rod?
It's good to be with you.
You as well.
I want to jump right in. Let's talk a little bit about integrators. Integrators are deploying emergency notification and personal safety systems across large campuses and facilities. Tell me about some of the biggest challenges with reliability and coverage that you're seeing these guys tackle, and especially inside buildings, and how is Valcom helping with those challenges?
Okay, that's a great question. The biggest thing that we're hearing from integrators is their challenge is consistency. Like you said, they're working in these large environments, whether it's a K through 12 school building or a healthcare building, and the consistency is the problem. They may have coverage in one area, and another area they may not have coverage, right? So that becomes a reliability gap, right? And we need to be reliable when we're doing emergency notifications. So with Valcom, we didn't use Wi-Fi, we didn't use cellular, so we don't have any of these dead spots. We're using a low-rod technology, so we cover the whole facility, and we'll have increased reliability because of that. We transmit over multiple pathways with existing systems. So we send an alert, we know it goes to the right people with the right message at the right time, every time. It's all about reliability in emergency notification.
Okay, absolutely. Security leaders need to ensure alerts are not only delivered but acknowledged and acted on quickly. When evaluating personal safety and notification systems, what capabilities should organizations prioritize to ensure alerts, are received, confirmed, and acted on?
Right. So in a real life emergency, people don't have time to think. There's no time to figure out how to make a phone call or look for security. So they have one question, right? How can I get help? And how can I get it now? So any system that you set up needs to be reliable, you need immediate notification, and you need to be able to confirm that alert went through.
Okay, good. Personal safety technologies are evolving beyond simple panic buttons to include location awareness, multi-channel alerts, and automated workflows. How is this changing the way organizations approach incident response and staff safety?
So really, it's more than just an alert nowadays. You said it. We need to be able to know who sent the alert, where that alert's come from, so we can have a coordinated and rapid response.
Okay. We're at ISC West. What are you guys highlighting most on this show floor?
Well, you can see it right behind me, but vGuardian Alert is our new system for alerting, and we're highlighting that along with our broader emergency notification system. Those work in conjunction. So with vGuardian, you can, once an alert is triggered, like I said, more than just an alert, we need actionable information. So we can send who that alert was coming from, where it was coming from, so that we can have a coordinated response.
So just give me one example, just like a use case of where you're seeing this system.
So whether it's in a hospital or K through 12, what happens is people, they're emergency situations, right? You have an escalation with a patient maybe, or with a student, or you see an active alert, and you need to have something that's simple, reliable, and immediate, and that's what this does for you.
Okay, well, let's stay on the reliability theme. Integrators and security leaders, what's that one big takeaway you would like them to remember about your approach, to reliable emergency communications and personal safety?
Okay, great. That's the biggest one, right? Simple, reliable, and immediate, right? And that's what we offer with that. What you see when we were designing vGuardian Alert, we used that low-rod technology so that we knew that we weren't going to have any missed spots. We use Bluetooth beacon location, so we have that for indoors. We have GPS outdoor location. The heart of our system is Site Manager, so once we receive that alert, we can push those notifications out to all of our signs, all of our speakers. We can go directly to first responders. So those are some of the things that we thought about that we knew we needed to have when we designed the system.
Mark Angel, with Valcom. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Rodney.